Hi, thank you for joining us today. My name is Connie Tran. I am the SNAP Education and Outreach Coordinator with our Food and Nutrition Services section under the Division of Child and Family Wellbeing. This project is in collaboration with our North Carolina Emergency Management Team, and my colleague next to me is...
Hi, I'm Nakia Jeffries, and I'm the FNS Employment and Training Coordinator, and I'm in the FNS section. Today, we are going to do easy chicken taco and easy chicken taco bowl. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do, we have, and this is a no-cook recipe, and so we have the chunks of chicken that we're going to first start off with and put in the bowl.
Yeah.
It's nice and chunky, and so we probably use this spoon and kind of thin it out a little bit so it'll fit better in our tacos. And then we're going to use some oil, and it's about a tablespoon full of oil. And then we have to have taco seasoning.
Yep,
and so we're going to have about a teaspoon.
Yep, so I'm just going to throw a little bit on here.
And as Connie's doing that, I'm gently kind of mashing and mixing. And then we're going to have a little pinch of salt. And it is according to your taste.
Yep.
And then a little pinch of pepper. All right, and stir a little bit more. And then we're going to have just a little bit of your lime juice, just a little bit.
And that's optional too.
Yes, yes it is. And so we're gonna just...
It smells good already.
It does,
Yeah.
it does. So we have already did some prepping, and so we have already drained our black beans. And then we have also already drained our corn as well. So this will also go into our taco. And so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the taco shell.
And we'll actually use the rice for our taco bowl. So after you finish your taco shell, we'll go and we can do our taco bowl.
You can take it and kind of scoop. All right, I can't wait. It smells so good. All right, and then we're gonna take some black beans. Yum. And corn.
Look how beautiful that is.
Yes, look at those colors. Oh my goodness.
And that's it.
Yes.
That's it. So what we'll do now is to do the bowl, and the taco bowl is actually quite simple as well. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of chicken, a little bit of corn, and our black beans. And then, so we can mix the rice in, or you can leave the rice on the bottom. It's really up to you. I like mixing everything together, so
yes,
I'll do
mix
that.
it in. Yes.
And so you'll have, again, a beautiful
Yes.
bowl, taco bowl here, and it's quite affordable. So I will actually, I'm gonna do a little crunch on top. So instead of the taco, we're gonna actually crush this, kind of just in smaller pieces. And we can top that off on the top for a little crunch. You hear that crunch?
Yes.
And that completes our taco bowl.
Awesome, awesome.
So that was actually really easy
That was
and
easy.
fast and quick.
That was
And
fast.
we have our protein, vegetables, and our beans is actually also our proteins, and just multiple colors. And we're done with that one.
Awesome. We're ready.
Thank you.
Time to eat.
Yes.